Are you using this pattern interrupt right here to improve your audience retention? Today, you're going to learn a skill within Canva that's going to help you do just that. We're going to click border style and just add a border weight. And I'm even going to just add a little corner rounding to it just to give it a little different look. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Jennifer, that's been there. You're right. It's been there for a little bit, but it is on the newer side. But what's new is it now, instead of having a solid border around your image or even your video, you can have a gradient one. So we're going to go right up here to the solid color. We're going to click that and watch. I'm going to scroll down, and now gradients is an option, and this was not the case before. So we can just add a simple gradient to our image, and do you see what happens? I see this being fun for a couple different reasons. Let me upload a video that I've got. What if I wanted a gradient edge around this short little clip? Okay, so here's my video for today. Well, what if instead of having it square like this or rectangle shape like this, I made some adjustments, if I can get that one to adjust, and I gave it a little corner rounding. I gave it a little border weight, and then I added some sort of gradient to it. Like that, perhaps, this black to blue gradient. I'm just going to go ahead and get this positioned in the middle, right? And then maybe the background is something else. Maybe it's black, or maybe it's brown, or maybe I've got something in, ooh. Here we go. It absolutely looks more dynamic with the gradient. What if I did some kind of waves? Something like this, where both of them were moving, right? It would look something like this. Digital art with Canva mentions an app. I'm just going to look up. Oh, that is awesome. The background is moving at the same time that I'm speaking. What if I wanted to have that in my video? So that would be a cool way to use the gradient border. And then I would download that one page just like that and throw it into my external video editor. You may also want to know other pattern interrupts that you can do within your videos, including gradient overlays like this one. Watch this to learn how. And I'll see you next time. Bye.